When borrowers start but don't complete their loan applications, our system automatically enrolls them in a reminder program. These reminders can help ensure borrowers submit all necessary documents and complete their applications. Reminders are automatically triggered if an application isn't completed in the first session. Emails are sent twice weekly for 2 weeks after the borrower's last activity. Messages remind borrowers about unfinished applications and required document uploads. Reminders can be managed at the company level or at the loan application level. For company-wide settings, navigate to the sidebar and select App Settings. Click Configure Loan Applications. Scroll to the Enable/Disable Applications column. Locate Borrower Reminders at the bottom. Toggle the switch to turn reminders on or off for all borrowers. For individual application settings, go to Applications. Find the specific borrower and click View on their row. Look for email reminders with a green button at the top of the page. Click the button to toggle reminders for this specific application. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team at support@etraffickers.com.